The following message is being transmitted by the request of the New York Police Department. A huge riot is occurring throughout the city. Do not participate in these riots. You will be arrested and questioned. It is unknown why these people are rioting at this moment, but there has been around 149 people in the riot. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. The riot has grown larger and larger. The exact numbers are hard to estimate, but it is believed that around 1,000 people are now in the riots. Stay far away from these rioters, and stay armed in case they break into your home. Do not participate in these riots, or you will be arrested and questioned. These riots are believed to be caused by people outraged at the fact that the popular app TikTok was banned. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. There have been millions of rioters all over the United States due to the ban of the app TikTok. Somehow, the app seemed to enter people's minds and influence it until TikTok is the only thing they think about. Many around the streets have been treated the app as if it is a god, praying to the app, and executing anyone who dislikes the app. Once again, participating in these riots will result in you being arrested and questioned, or even shot. And defend yourself by any means possible.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. Many states have now been taken over by the TikTok rioters. These states include Florida, Georgia, Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire. There are many other states full of these rioters. Once again, do not participate in these rioters, and if they enter your home, defend yourself by any means possible. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. The TikTok rioters have gained control of the country's nuclear weapons and have launched a nuke towards San Francisco. The nuke is expected to hit in about 10 minutes. Anyone within a 100-mile radius of San Francisco needs to immediately seek a fallout shelter. Exposure to fallout will result in death. Bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, bags, batteries, and a battery-powered radio.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. The tide that rioters had launched nukes around the world. There is not anything we can do to stop an attack at this scale. The entire world will be consumed by nuclear radiation. Embrace for the nuclear apocalypse.